detectives! I'm Coco. Ready for a jungle mystery? Look! A secret snack for a friend. His name starts with M. He is smart, fast, and loves bananas. Let's go find him. Look! Small footprints. Our friend was just here. He doesn't wear shoes like us. Shh! Hear that? Something is moving high above. It's big. Did you see that long tail? It helps him jump fast. A clue. This peel was removed carefully. Our friend has smart hands, just like you. Our friend is a climbing superstar. He swings through the trees so fast. Can you guess his name? That's his voice. He sounds so happy. He knows we have a banana for him. Longtail loves bananas starts with M. Shout his name out loud. Who is he? Did you say a monkey? Let's see if you are right. 3, 2, 1, look! Bingo! It's a monkey! M is for monkey. High five, little detectives! You found him! Look at his hands. Monkeys use their fingers just like we do to peel fruit. Yummy! And look at that tail! It's so strong it can hold his whole body. How cool! Monkeys are the best acrobats. They love to play and jump all day long. Remember, friends, M is for monkey. M is for master of climbing. And bananas. Today was fun. You learned all about our smart and funny friend, the monkey. Subscribe for the next letter. See you soon. Bye-bye, detectives.